Alright guys, welcome back to Cheap Tool Reviews. Today, we got the cheapest impact wrench we could find on eBay. I kid you not guys, this thing was 50 bucks. From my understanding, it came with like sockets and who knows what else is in this box, but from the package guys, just listen to this. That's not very good guys. I'm pretty sure there's no carrying case included. But I mean, it was 50 bucks delivered to my house. I can't really complain until I get in here and we'll check it out together guys. So let's open this thing up. Oh my. Alright guys, box is destroyed already. Oh my. Check this out guys. We got the impact on the wrong side of the box here. Oh, it does come with a little carrying case, guys. But look at this. Jacked up. Oh, same brand as the grinder. Autojare. 20-volt battery. I don't think this fits the... I don't think it's the same... It looks like the same, but... Hey guys, we'll test it out. We'll put that battery on here and see if it works. This little impact gun here. Look at this plastic thing. I don't know what that's for. But it's not too heavy, guys. I'm going to be honest. Not crazy impressive. We got the charger. It looks just like the other charger. Autojare. The cordless impact wrench. Doesn't even look like that tool, guys. Look at this. Clearly there's a clip. No clip on this. I'm telling you guys, I think Autojare is just out here throwing stuff together and calling it theirs. So we'll put that over there. Oh man, they want to make sure you're repping Autojare. So when you pull up to the junkyard, guys, you can flex your Autojare. Oh, I don't know what that is though, but let's put that over there. Let's get that out of the way. So let's see what comes in this box. So we got all these sockets here. They have this little rubber ring. I'm not exactly sure what that does, and there's a pin in the middle of it. How are you gonna get this in there? Oh, okay. This is like a safety lock feature thing. So you put this in there. If you can get it in there. No, guys, this is ridiculous. It's like this pin that's supposed to go through the socket all the way through there. Fell right out. And then this ring, I guess, is supposed to hold it there. But I've never seen that before. I can't even get it in there. Alright, guys, we gotta beat it in there. And I didn't even put it on the right way. There we go. Lines up pretty perfect. I guess you put that in there. It's pretty dumb, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, damn, I thought I was gonna break it. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Let me put the battery on here to hold this up real quick. Not too much weight. Oh, with the battery it's kinda got some weight. It says it's fully charged. That's pretty cool. This one actually legitimately has a... kind of sounds like a drill. And this, guys, this is the... I don't know what that is. I don't know if we're going to try or not with this. Honestly, it fits on there just fine without that. So I don't think we need that. Clearly, I almost broke my table doing that. But, so we got... Let's see what sizes come with this. Got a 21 millimeter. 19 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 20, 22, and 17. And we got the carrying case, of course. Nothing really heavy. I guess all this stuff's supposed to be in there if you really wanted it to. But we're gonna give this thing a shot, guys, and see if we can make this work. It's not too loud. It's not making that impact noise. Oh, Well, let's go test it out, guys. I'm gonna check the reviews on the description. Not the reviews, I'm sorry. I'm gonna check the description and see what the foot-pound rating on this thing is. And we're just gonna torque some stuff down, unbolt it, and see if it can. I put the Autojare in its carrying case. I don't have anything at the moment that I can torque something down to, so we're just gonna try the wheels. This is my Charger Daytona 392. So that's the first time you guys see my cars in my videos. Maybe we might be able to test some other stuff out on it, but let's get out the size for this. Oh, this one right here. So let's see if this can knock this bolt off. So honestly, you don't even need that ring because it goes on there just fine. So let's see if we can take one of these off. Oh wow, that's pretty impressive, and that's bolted down to like a OEM spec. So I'd have to look up what the dealers or what Dodge torques those down to because these never been taken off. I just got the car like 6 months ago, so that was pretty impressive, guys. And you know, if it could take off lug nuts, it could almost take off anything. But that was pretty impressive. I'm gonna torque that down because I always torque my lug nuts down. I don't trust it to just be just the impact. But that was a nice little test right there, honestly, guys. And it took it off no problem. So I mean, I would say that's not bad. If it can take off a lug nut, I mean, many people, of course, they're gonna buy it. They're gonna, you know, do some actual, maybe taking out an engine, depending on what you're gonna do. But if you're gonna use it like for your wheels, and it's saying that it's fully charged, and it took this wheel off no problem, guys. I'm sure it can take off other wheels, other lug nuts without a problem. I'm sure if you're doing like different type of jobs, it's gonna meet your needs. Honestly, the Autojare again, it's not bad for the tool. For being an eBay cheap tool, this costs $50, guys, delivered. And I'm going to put a link to it in the description. And again, guys, that was when I bought it. Of course, the price can change at any time. But I'm going to put the link in the description to this. And yeah, guys, it took that lug nut off like nothing. Honestly, it didn't even struggle to take that off. For $50, guys, it is not bad. And it came with all these sockets. So, I mean, what more can you ask for $50, honestly? So we're gonna go back in. We're gonna do like a little final thoughts on this, and we'll see what we think about it. All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. This is my final thoughts on the Autojare impact gun. I know I only took off a lug nut. Honestly, a lug nut is on there pretty decent. It's on there pretty tight because obviously that holds your wheel on. So I didn't see to keep testing it out on other bolts, but I can test it out on more things. If you guys tell me, please let me know in the description what you guys want me to try it on. But for the price, guys, of $50, with it comes with this, you know, the awesome carrying bag, the impact sockets, and the tool and the charger, 20 volt, and it is not bad, guys, for $50, honestly. Of course, it is for like, you know, the person that's going to be at home doing a little bit of wrenching here and there. They're not going to be doing it full time and, you know, doing all that sort of stuff. But for the price, guys, it's not bad at all. Like I said, guys, these videos are fully funded by myself. Autojare does not sponsor this video in any way. I purchased this. So the only way that we can get to that level where we can just start buying and buying and buying, if you guys like, subscribe, share, and, you know, let your homies know that this tool, that you want it. Let them know that you want this and you're going to buy it, and you don't want them to make fun of you for buying the cheapest tool on eBay, guys, because it's not bad. So that's what we're here to do, guys. We're here to test out the cheapest tools that people are afraid to buy. We're going to test it out and see if they're any good. And don't think I'm returning all these tools after I test them out, guys, because they're going to be in my garage. If they work, they work. If they don't, they'll be on a higher spot so I can't reach it. But it is not bad, guys. So like I said, guys, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think so we can keep doing these awesome tool reviews, guys. Thank you.